Imagine your data as a traveler. Its location determines the rules it must follow. This concept, known as data sovereignty, means that the laws of the country where your data is physically stored govern its use and access. For instance, if your server is in the United States, US laws apply. In Germany, German and EU laws take precedence. This distinction is crucial for developers in Europe, both legally and technically. Regulations like the GDPR enforce strict compliance, making the understanding of data residency a matter of trust and reliability. The technical implications influence development decisions, affecting how and where you store and process information. Adhering to these principles safeguards user trust and ensures strategic control over your projects. As we delve deeper, we'll explore the risks of neglecting these principles and how leveraging EU-native solutions can provide the security and compliance essential in today's digital landscape. Let's begin by understanding why this matters so much to you, the developer. Choosing non-EU cloud providers, even those offering EU-based services like AWS, subjects your data to US laws under the Cloud Act. This allows US authorities to request access to your data, potentially compromising its security and breaching GDPR compliance. For developers and organizations, this poses not only legal risks, but also trust issues. Users expect their data to be secure and managed according to European standards. When compliance is questioned, trust erodes. The choice of a cloud provider extends beyond technical capabilities. It directly impacts your ability to meet legal obligations and maintain user confidence. To avoid these pitfalls, understanding the implications of your provider's legal jurisdiction is crucial. In the next segment, we'll explore how EU-native cloud providers offer a strategic advantage in navigating these challenges. Opting for an EU-native cloud provider can be a game changer. Companies like OVHcloud and Scaleway operate exclusively within Europe, ensuring unparalleled data sovereignty. This means your data remains governed solely by European laws, free from the influence of foreign jurisdictions like the US Cloud Act. For developers, this provides greater control over data, ensuring GDPR compliance and building user trust. EU-native providers not only adhere strictly to European regulations, but also eliminate risks associated with external oversight. By choosing a fully European operation, you protect your data, strengthen your reputation, and ensure user confidence. This isn't just a legal safeguard, it's a strategic move towards robust, reliable cloud solutions. Up next, we'll examine how data sovereignty extends beyond databases to other critical facets of your digital infrastructure. Data sovereignty extends far beyond databases. It encompasses all forms of data storage and transfer, including logs, backups, analytics, and CDN endpoints. Many of these are often replicated globally by default, introducing potential risks for compliance and security. Such global replication can expose sensitive information to jurisdictions outside the European Union, possibly violating GDPR requirements and user expectations. Developers must consider the location and management of all data to ensure true compliance and control. Addressing these often overlooked aspects of data management protects your organization from unintended breaches of sovereignty and sustains user trust. In the next segment, we'll explore how local cloud providers can offer not only compliance, but also operational advantages. Stay tuned. Choosing local cloud providers offers distinct strategic advantages. These providers reduce latency by being physically closer to your operations, ensuring faster data access and improved application performance. They also offer region-specific pricing, enabling businesses in Europe to manage costs effectively without unexpected fluctuations. Additionally, local providers deliver support in your native language and time zone, reducing delays and enhancing communication efficiency. This alignment eliminates common frustrations like waiting for responses across global time differences, simplifying troubleshooting and assistance. By selecting local cloud solutions, you enhance operational efficiency while aligning services with local needs and expectations. These benefits highlight why considering EU-native providers is not just about compliance, but also about optimizing performance and support. Up next, we'll discuss practical steps to ensure your tools and services fully support compliance and sovereignty. Compliance is not a one-time checkbox. It's a continuous practice that safeguards operations and builds trust. Begin by auditing your technology stack to determine where your data is stored and how it's processed. Are your tools adhering to GDPR and other regulations? If not, it's time to make changes. Opt for services designed to prioritize sovereignty, such as EU native cloud providers. For analytics, consider tools like plausible or self-hosted options, granting complete control over your data. Regular audits and informed choices not only ensure compliance, but also strengthen your data sovereignty strategy. By taking these proactive steps, you secure your systems against risks and align with best practices. Up next, let's explore how front-end development impacts sovereignty and what measures developers can take to stay compliant. Front-end development plays a pivotal role in maintaining data sovereignty. Developers often incorporate external assets like fonts and scripts to enhance user experience. However, hosting these assets on servers outside the European Union can inadvertently lead to data leaving the region. This compromises data sovereignty and may breach compliance regulations like GDPR. To safeguard sovereignty, front-end developers should self-host these assets within EU-based servers. This ensures that all user interactions remain under EU jurisdiction, reinforcing trust and compliance. By adopting these practices, developers contribute significantly to a secure and sovereign data environment. In the next segment, we'll explore how data sovereignty aligns with strategic business goals, building trust and simplifying system design. Data sovereignty is more than a legal requirement, it's a strategic advantage. Prioritizing sovereignty enables organizations to build unparalleled user confidence. Imagine assuring your clients their data is protected under stringent privacy laws, fostering trust and loyalty. Beyond compliance, this approach shields you from fines associated with regulations like GDPR. Additionally, data sovereignty streamlines infrastructure, aligning system design with clear and efficient practices. This reduces complexity and enhances performance. In an era where users are increasingly aware of digital privacy, embracing data sovereignty is essential. It positions your organization ahead in a competitive landscape where trust defines success. So how can sovereignty redefine your approach to data? Stay tuned as we explore achieving ultimate control with EU native providers. To safeguard your data and maintain full control, the solution is clear. Choose fully EU native cloud providers. Unlike foreign-owned corporations, EU native providers are governed solely by European laws, ensuring your data remains protected from external jurisdictions. This guarantees compliance with regulations like GDPR and eliminates vulnerabilities linked to foreign ownership. By choosing an EU native provider, you're not just meeting legal requirements, you're ensuring data sovereignty, fostering user trust, and supporting a robust European digital infrastructure. The benefits are undeniable: heightened security, enhanced trust, and steadfast sovereignty. For developers and businesses seeking independence and protection, EU native providers offer a pathway to true control over your digital assets. Make the switch today and experience the peace of mind that comes with secure, compliant data management. As we conclude this exploration of data sovereignty, remember, knowing where your data resides is essential. It's not just about compliance, it's about building trust. By choosing EU native solutions, you ensure your data stays under your control, free from external jurisdictions. Data sovereignty empowers you to secure your operations and strengthen user confidence. Take the step toward a more secure and trustworthy cloud strategy. Explore EU-first providers and gain the peace of mind that comes with sovereignty. Like and follow for more insights on leveraging EU native cloud solutions.